Hello guys, and welcome to this video. This is the last video of this series. I just wanted to go over some of the security based things that you can do that are rather easy to do and that you really should do them, and just talk like in general like what your next steps could be. So about that security, there is this package called Helmet, and this is an npm page of it. It's really easy to use. You just pretty much need to install it and then use it as a middleware somewhere early, so that it can configure the HTTP headers nice and early. It is composed of several smaller middleware functions that set HTTP headers, and you can read more about them here. So I'm not saying like security is easy, it definitely isn't, and that's like a whole another topic. I'm just saying that this is a small step that you can take to at least improve the security of your API, at least like in the early stage. So to add it, let's simply go yarn add helmet like this. And once it is installed, we'll need to basically require it. So I'm going to say const helmet is require, and then helmet over here, and then we pretty much need to use it, and let's use it as soon as we define the app object over there. So let's go over here and say app.use helmet, like a function like this. Okay, so with that done, I can only like tell you some of your next steps, what you can do. Well, you can definitely look into building the authentication and authorization for the users, and while I won't be covering that in this series, because this is the end of this series, I didn't want like to stretch it too much. I will be starting a series of videos on the authentication and authorization, so you can take a look at them and reuse that knowledge that you gained from those videos inside of this API and see how that goes. Next, you can also build some sort of a front end so that you can communicate back and forth with this backend. Some of the things that come to my mind are AngularJS, perhaps Vue.js, React.js, things of that nature. That could be like a cool project for you. You can pretty much like build something close to like eBay or Amazon. You can have like multiple sellers and like multiple cars per those sellers, and you can basically start from there. And if you and at one point you can pretty much use that piece as your portfolio. You can add payments gateways. There are like Braintrees is a really popular one. It is from PayPal. There is also a Stripe, which is also really popular one. Or you can simply like use PayPal's API to add a pay with PayPal button or anything of that nature. So I just wanted to give some closure to this series. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you in some of my next series. Thanks for watching, and see you then.